The state BJP on Wednesday stated that the centre's proposal of one nation, one election will spell tremendous benefits for the country. State party President Ernest Mauri pointed out that the central government is spending excessively for resources and manpower during elections, adding that this concept of one nation, one election will reduce expenditure besides improving administration in every state. He added that the system of one nation, one election will be a blessing not only for Meghalaya and the whole country.
One election, and this will benefit the state in terms of expenditure, in terms of development. You see now, continuously we are having election, and model code of conduct has been executed in election. So 3-month model code of conduct, then 6 months, then who will be the loser? The public. No scheme can be implemented one after election. So I think if we can bring this system of one nation, one election, it will be the blessing not only for Meghalaya, for the whole country.